Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2003 BMW K1200LT. This touring motorcycle's got just under 39,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Only found one scratch on one of the bags, so let's take our walk around it and then we will fire this animal up. This bike's been very well taken care of. Got a lot of nice accessories on it too. Nice tall, wide windscreen. It's got some air deflectors on it. We will be putting new tires front and rear on this bike. Comes with an updated Garmin GPS. It also has a CD changer along with a CB radio. So here's the one scratch I found on it on the right side bag here. So other than that, that's the only thing I found on it. Luggage rack up there. Heated grips. Bike's got a few miles on it, but it's been very well taken care of. Here is your mileage, 38,863. Alright, let's start this bad boy. What did I do with the key fob? Got it. Here it is. Key fob. Oh. Looks like I left it in gear. This BMW K1200LT will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.